Early morning, you know. Machine brought down. Pretty man. She broke down last time. Trimming now. Judges guard. Sleepy. Are you ready? That is it. Never hear they talk about Portland yet? That is it, road boy. I ain't doing drop foot to the airport. Don't joke about it. Yes, I. Boss in front here, out gear and a box in back. Dip in a gearbox. Two of them too. So them man black smoke out that pipe. Yeah man, dip trailer jump. It's like a movie. That is it. And I know pick the thing this. Jamaican badness, but they don't know say Canada want all trailer driver. Yeah man, back in the ocean then. Come back. Don't get line the road boy, don't get line. Watch your coaster. Go around here. Nah, right here, you're not gonna make it lip up. Go back in. Yeah, go around the trail, I have to find a strong gear, you know? Now go around there, no slow gear. And you get dip in a gearbox. Look which part this a man a Jose brought down. It's like a movie. Back in the ocean again. Oh, 99 or 94. Oh, 99 not. International Eagle. That's a taxi man. You see it? And them not man. You see them? Only them babes say no man, the taxi man them. I told something I take from them, you know, when he crash, you know. I take his wallet and his gold chain and tell him say help soon come. I take and save you, so I take your wallet. Some taxi man drive good enough, some dirty, corrupt, nasty, junk man. Truck man they drive easy though. Yeah, some man they go in a bush. Bridging and easy. Wanna say YouTube up the line. I should have a cat engine in there. It's a ball, like one man a bad goal. To the man. Two of them are maglate out. Two sandman them, watch it. Boxy man do a wrong thing a while ago. But man, it's like a movie. Jamaican bad driver. No learners can do this. Down in line. Black some work. Each time he change gear, correct? Black some work, eh? Dip in a gearbox. Ah, I see him change gear there again. Up your line, my father! Up your line! Up your line, up your line! Up the road, boy, up there, up there! Up there with the 99! But driver! Canada one-time truck driver! Outside, outside! Up the line! Up the line, up M14. Yeah, the man. Front one of M14. You like a Cummins, sister? Yeah, there! Clear the way! Clear the way! M14! M14 a back and they like woman like bad cool. Yeah, the man, it has slapped. Good day. M14. Watch out, man, watch out, man. Down in line. Down in line. Watch out, Margarita, watch it. Flap like when woman a bad fool. Go there. Watch it, watch it. Cha! Like a run! Like a run! Oh, run with the 99. No joke about it. Oh yeah, oi, go back in there. Sure. See that car boy, man. Him. I wonder, man. M14. Ah, road boy. Next one, it's our Peterbilt. Ideas of Peterbilt used to sound good, but now lazy. Now slap again. Hear that? Sound like a different engine in there. Peter, no. Rocking on, man. Sure. One more again. Hey, I tell you, young boy I drive them master. Where next drop them then? Why? Watch it. Dude. So I Canada need we. Bad chuck, a bad chuck. Oh, CM14 there come. Wait on us. Hey, look how close he got to each car. Quick. This man that touch your head. The mirror. Today. Oh man! Driver, real driver! You not touch it? Oh, don't touch it at all. Today. Touching the backside. Yo! Man, wrap up it. True. You like a copyright this or something, man. Yo, line up on yourself, more trailer come. Line up, more trailer come. 2 more come. Down the road there come. Line up. Come on, come on, 5 phone. Take him up there. Ah, God. Problem. Jamaica badness, you know, man. Which American youth can come to Jamaica come drive, so. Man. Next trailer, they don't start. See you more. Watch your youth, Magletos. Watch your youth, Magletos. Bad Peterbilt. Tip chair lean like you want to know about. Ready? But the head of the body, you know, man. The head of the tip chair, master. One little mark of ball fit down on the head. And it never broke. Watch a man.